Hello everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how to use our ASU, NAU, and U of A unweighted core GPA calculator. This is what these colleges will use to see if you qualify for admissions, as well as any merit-based scholarships. So the first thing that you want to do is make a copy. So go to File and make a copy, and you can name it whatever you'd like. And it'll open up with a new sheet, and this is where you can actually enter in your grades. So I've included samples of grades for you to use, and you can just delete those. And this is where you would enter in your own grades. So for 9th grade English, we got a B and a C. And then very important number 2 step is to always put 0.5 credits for every grade that you enter. For math, in the 9th grade, we got a B and an A second semester. For biology, we did C and a C for both semesters. For U.S. history, we haven't taken that yet as a freshman. But say we took world history and we got an A and an A. First year of Chinese, we got a B and a B. And then we've taken a CTE or fine art class. This is where you can pick any CTE or fine art class that you've taken, as long as you've taken both semesters of that class. And so say we took ceramics and we got an A and then a B. And then we always enter in that 0.5 for any grade that we've completed or that we've entered. And then it gives you a cumulative GPA of 3.08. And this will give you an idea of where you're at. Anything with a 3.0 or higher is going to be automatically accepted to the U of A and to NAU. Anything with a 2.75 or higher is automatically accepted to the NAU. And then as you scroll down, you'll see the merit awards. These are merit scholarships that these colleges will offer you based on the grades that we just figured out, that core GPA. So this is for the 25-26 school year. They change yearly. The tuition amount changes, as well as the amount of the merit awards change. But as you can see, with a 3.08 for ASU and for U of A, you will get somewhere between $2,000 and $3,000. At NAU, you will get $5,000. One thing to note is that NAU does not require 2 years of a world language. So if world language wasn't your best class or subject, then you don't need to include them. But you can try including them in this calculator just to see if it improves your overall core GPA or not. That's it. Thanks so much, everyone. Have fun with this.